And now Arizona's Attorney General, Democrat Chris Mays, joins us. Well, you were there, you saw that, and it was deeply affecting to a lot of people, men and women. You vow not to prosecute. Most of your county attorneys agree, but in one of the counties, Dennis McGrain, a Republican, he's arguing in favor of the 1864 statute. An executive order signed by Governor Katie Hobbs gives you prosecutorial authority over abortion violations. So how do you prepare to face this if your authority is challenged? And, how long can you keep this till the election, till it's on the ballot?
Hi, Andrea. Thank you for having me. And yeah, absolutely. We intend to keep the promise that I have made all along to not prosecute any doctor, any medical professional, any woman under this insane, egregious affront to freedom 1864 abortion ban. And I believe that we will succeed in that. And I have also promised to fight any effort by any county attorney, whether it's Dennis McGrain or anyone else in our 15 counties who tries to prosecute anyone under this 1864 abortion ban. So we'll see if they challenge me on that. And we also have, as was mentioned, on your show, the fact that Arizonans are going to be able to take matters into their own hands this coming November. And I can promise you, I believe that they are resoundingly going to make it clear that abortion rights should be enshrined in the Arizona Constitution.
Have you decided whether you're going to try to take this directly to the Supreme Court or perhaps take constitutional questions back to state courts? What is your road, do you think, legally?
Yeah, that's exactly what we're examining right now. We have not given up. We will not give up on our attempts to prevent this 1864 ban from going into effect in Arizona. As you mentioned, we have a period of time here over the next 60 days or so to continue to fight this in the courts. I'm also in conversations with my fellow attorneys general, Democratic AGs across the country who have shown an outpouring of support to the state of Arizona, wanting to know how they can help women in Arizona. So we are going to be putting together a plan for helping women in case this 1864 ban goes into place, and we will have some announcements coming up. The Vice President of the United States reached out to me to ask how the federal government could help Arizona. So we're in crisis here in Arizona. It's chaotic. Arizonans woke up to this decision yesterday, and we're grappling with it today. And I just have to say, I think it's just atrocious and unbelievable that the former president, Donald Trump, would say that, he thinks Arizona went too far. This is on him. This is on Donald Trump. It was Donald Trump and Donald Trump's United States Supreme Court that overturned Roe versus Wade. He celebrated this, and the Supreme Court did this and sent it to states. And this is why Arizona is now dealing with an 1864 abortion ban.
And, I was so affected. I'm sure you were. Someone clearly the minority whip, Eva Birch, the state senator. There's so much that these politicians don't seem to know about women's health, about miscarriages, about the toxicity of carrying a non-viable fetus, and what happened to the woman in Texas who has now been memorialized in that campaign ad.
It's so true, Andrea. They are so clueless. I mean, utterly and completely clueless about what women go through in pregnancies. I'm a mom. I had my child through IVF. Eva Birch described what happened to her and what she needed to do. We're hearing also stories, Andrea, about doctors and nurses crying, who provide abortion services, not knowing what comes next. The emotion of this is so strong. And obviously the women of our state, going through processing this decision and trying to figure out what to do next. But I can promise you that we are going to help women through this. We're going to find solutions for them, and we are going to fight like hell to make sure that this 1864 ban does not get implemented in our state. And then, of course, in November, the people of Arizona are going to make sure of that through the ballot initiative.
Thank you so much, Attorney General from Arizona, Chris Mays. Thank you.